Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm going to talk about one funnel away challenge price, or you can say what is the price of latest one funnel away challenge 2.0. So I'm going to talk about this in that video, guys, right? But guys, before telling you this, I just want to say that, guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business. So yep, go and read my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? So guys, without any delay, let me talk about one funnel away challenge price, guys. So guys, here the purpose of doing this video is that, guys, earlier you were having two options when you register for one funnel away challenge. So one option was digital version, and for that you had to pay $100, and second option that you were having, that was you can say physical version. So like if you register for physical version of one funnel away challenge, so you were getting some books and pen drive, etc., right? So these you can say were in, you can say, physical in nature. So for that you had to pay shipping and handling charges. Like if you are from US, then yes, you had to pay around like $19 shipping and handling charges, right? So it was that. And if you are outside US, then yes, you had to pay, it was around $29.99 something, right? So overall idea is that if you ordered you can say physical version, then yes, you had to pay $100 plus shipping and handling charges based on your country, guys, right? As I told you, right? And if you order only, you can say digital version, then yes, you had to pay only $100, guys, to attend this one funnel away challenge training, guys. But guys, according to latest one funnel away challenge 2.0, guys, you have only one option, that is digital version only, guys, and for that you have to pay only $100, guys. So you don't have any other option to order for physical version, guys. Let me just take you this official website. So guys, here you can see that, guys, for joining this training you need to pay $100, guys. So if you scroll to the bottom, guys, yeah, you can see here, guys. So these are the bonuses that you are going to get when you join one funnel away challenge, like 30-day of video coaching, 30-day of live coaching with our implementation coaches, get the new one pager. So this is new bonus, guys, that they have added. 30-day access to the OFA challenge Facebook group. Earlier, yeah, let me just clear you one thing. Earlier there was, you can say, physical version of this workbook. Now they have come up with you can say software that we call one pager, right? So that you can use as a workbook, right? And bonus private big breakthrough trainings in private group, 30-day ebook. So guys, here earlier you were you can say able to get physical version of this ebook, guys, you can say hard copy of this book, and for that you had to pay shipping and handling charges, guys, right? And same thing for like unlimited access to the 30-day interviews behind the scene of the 2 Club funnel. So these trainings that were available in the pen drive, right? So you were also getting pen drive at your given address, and for that, like 30day.com book and pen drive and work notebook, you had to pay you can say shipping and handling charges, right? So that was the, you can say, physical version of this, you can say, one funnel away challenge. So, and according to, you can say, new update, or you can say this one funnel away challenge 2.0, you don't have this option, guys, this physical option, physical version option. Now you have only digital version option, guys, and for that you have to pay only $100, guys, right? So I hope I have cleared your confusion, guys. Earlier you were having two options, now you have only one option, that is digital version, guys. Clear? And yes, guys, I would highly recommend you, please do this training at least for once if you are serious, guys. If you want to learn how to start your online business step by step, then yes, this training is for you. do this training at least for once. This is one of the best training by one of the best coach in the world, Russell Brunson, guys. Guys, you know that Russell Brunson has more than 15 years of experience about this online industry, guys. So he knows what works and what doesn't. So whatever he will teach you in that training, that is scientifically proven to work, guys, right? So don't miss this opportunity to learn from the best, guys, right? It's a 30 days training, guys. Every day you are going to learn that how to do online business step by step, right? So it's a, you can say, complete package, guys, complete package where you are going to learn everything, right from like funnel, and you can say marketing strategy, traffic, mindset. So everything is there, guys, in that training, guys, right? So yep, I would highly recommend you guys do this training at least for once. And yes, if you have done this training earlier, then I would say do this training again and again, unless and until you get the concept of Russell Brunson that he wants to convey to you guys on how to start online business. Because guys, after doing this training, if you are still struggling in doing your online business, then somewhere you have missed the concept, guys. So do this training again and again. It's like reading the same book again and again, guys, right? So yes, if you are serious, guys, down below I have put the link of this training. You can go and join this training. And yes, as you join this training through my affiliate link, then yes, I will give you my bonuses, guys. So yep, down below I have put the link. You can go and check out all the bonuses that you are going to get from my site, guys, right? So guys, now you know what is the price of this One Funnel Away Challenge 2.0. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question, right? I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.